This was instilled in me by Mom and Dad from the very beginning. They sent me to the best dancing schools, where I met my lifelong friend, Cosmo Brown. And with him, I used to perform for all Mom and Dad Society friends. They used to make such a fuss over me. Then, if I was very good, I was allowed to accompany Mom and Dad to the theater. They brought me up on Shaw and Molière, the finest of the classics. This stimulated my love for performing, and to this we added rigorous musical training at the conservatory. In a few years, Cosmo and I were ready to embark on a dance concert tour. We played the finest symphonic halls in the country.